happy first birthday. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Aya!
Yay! Alright, go Aya. Blow your candles right now. Make a wish. Oh, you share it to me, Aya. Blow, blow, blow. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much for you.
Happy birthday, baby Aya.
Our birthday girl is we are so thankful and blessed nabot ka sa among life after 8 years. No, so Paris no June, we have a boy and a girl. So enough na ni siya or depende kung sa iyo iyakan sa gina. So happy birthday Aya. So amo jud paningkamutan no na that your first birthday is memorable basta makaya lang. And thank you everyone for coming here. So daghan kayo salamat sa inyong pag-ari o pagtampong pagatan. And again, happy birthday to our little girl and we are looking forward and excited na maka-witness people sa imo shining, sa imo